for the letter. So this is Dr. Bhupesh once again, and now I am making the third recording so that I can record the letter itself. So how would the letter go? First paragraph, according to our pattern, so that you not only understand the pattern but also need to know its application. I'm writing this letter regarding one of your resident, Mrs. Goldstein, who was admitted to our hospital 3 days back due to dislocated elbow. Now her condition is better, so she will be discharged back to your retirement or residential aged care home tomorrow, and you are advised to follow few instructions for her speedy recovery. During hospitalization, she was given during hospitalization, right cuff with the sling was applied on the right elbow because of the dislocated elbow, and the wound has started to heal slowly and the skin is now intact. At the moment, patient is using the wheelchair for transferring herself, but also requires some assistance along with that. Apart from this, she is having continence of the bowel, however, is incontinent with bladder. Even after that, मतलब incontinence of bladder होने के बाद भी, full stop. Even after that, she is reluctant to wear disposable briefs. उसके बाद भी नहीं पहन रही है disposable, and requires some assistance with the showering as well. So besides, she requires incontinent care as well. So she so it would be greatly appreciated when she will return to your aged care home to please it would be greatly appreciated when she returns to your home to monitor her for her incontinence care. As already said, the last point you have mentioned is of incontinence care, so mention this point only. Then say apart from this, yeah, besides this, yeah, further monitoring for the healing of the elbow will be required on continuous basis. And last, don't use this word collect, transport. This is not for the living being, so you have to you have to change these words. So you say, and also she will be discharged back tomorrow and her spouse will be coming here to take her, and he will be dropping her to your place. And the last point which is important to be noted, and it is also मतलब वहाँ पे पेपर में last point नहीं लिखना, and it is important to be noted that she has a follow-up appointment with the physiotherapist on this date at this time at eventide. Rest, if you require any details of the patient, so it has been enclosed with the letter. And बस इतना सा लेटर है. सोशल हिस्ट्री और मेडिकल हिस्ट्री हमने लिखी नहीं क्योंकि उसको पता होगा. So that is how these letters go. So I'm stopping the recording. So this is the third time I will take your questions, and I have made 3 recordings so that you can understand this discharge back letter in the best possible way. But please try to listen to all these 3 recordings, and these will totally take like your 15 to 20 minutes. But this is the letter that came the last time, so it can come again. So you have to be really cautious. Please listen to this recording for 3 to 5 times to understand everything. If there is anything you do not understand, please drop your questions in the comment box on the YouTube. And for the students who are studying right now, I will take their questions right now only. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institute.